A range designed to perform, the new crusty bakeware from Masterclass guarantees no more soggy bottoms, but golden brown, crispy crust, time and time again. All items feature perforated holes that let the moisture out to crisp the dough perfectly. Bake your own loaf with crisp crust and delicious soft bread on the inside. Over the days of soft bread crusts and soggy pizza bases. The Masterclass Crusty Bakeware is designed to produce consistent baking results every time. The perforated holes ensure that air circulates freely around the dough during the cooking process and heat gets distributed quickly. This guarantees even cooking and creates a uniform, crisp, golden brown crust. Baked goods can be easily released due to the bakeware's award-winning Quantum 2 non-stick coating. The easy release is further improved by the perforated holes, as the bakeware provides less surface for the dough to stick on. Over are the days of soggy bottoms. Fridge, freezer and dishwasher safe, the crusty bakeware is rust resistant and comes complete with a 20-year guarantee. Masterclass Crusty Bake. Cook with confidence.